In today's video, a routine traffic stop turns into a full arrest, an $80 ticket, a broken taillight, and a 65-year-old woman who refused to sign. What happened next would spark national debate. Officers pulled Hamil over outside Oklahoma City for a broken taillight. The citation was $80, but when the officer asked her to sign the ticket, she refused. It's important to understand, signing a ticket is not admitting guilt. It simply confirms you will address the citation in court. When she refused, the officer informed her she was under arrest. That's when the situation escalated. As officers attempted to detain her, tension increased. Commands were repeated. She resisted being placed in custody. Moments later, a taser was deployed. What started as a minor traffic violation became a physical confrontation in seconds. Former police officer and security expert Steve Cardian later explained that refusing to sign can legally justify arrest in many states. But many people are asking a different question. Was this escalation necessary, or could it have been handled differently?
Hello.
Hi.
So what's going on with your truck?
It's been hit, and we're waiting to see if I can't find a bed for it, a short bed. It's drivable.
Yeah, but it's not legal because you got a busted taillight. You got your driver license and insurance on you?
I've driven it up here ever since it's been like this.
How long ago has it been like that?
Probably about 6 months.
Oh, okay. Well, you've had plenty of time to get it fixed.
I've driven it up here a lot.
Okay. Well,
I drive it to Kingfisher, I drive it to Guthrie. You guys stay off the interstate.
live here in town?
No, my name's Hamil. I live out on Highway 74.
Hamil, huh?
Yeah, Hamil.
Gotcha. Related to Hank?
I'm his mother.
Oh, okay. Insurance?
Did you see if I own the vehicle? Because it's on.
All right. Appreciate it. Yeah, busted taillight seems to be a pattern with the Hamils.
Well, y'all had a headlight out on one of your cop cars the other night.
We did?
Yeah, but I just don't tell you.
We should have.
Yeah, I guess I should.
All right, sit tight for me. I haven't decided yet. Stay in the vehicle. All right, Miss Hamil. Since you informed me that you've had that for 6 months.
Oh, yeah, and we're just looking for a bed because we can't find a short bed. I mean, my brother's looking for it.
Can you at least get the light?
I don't know if I can get the light. They've got lights on them, don't they? They do have lights in them, and they do work.
Well, it's broken.
Yeah, I know it's broken.
So if you hit your brake lights, that white bulb's going to blind somebody at night.
Oh, okay. Well, can I put red tape on it? Will that work?
Yeah, but I don't think red tape's going to help you there. You don't have enough plastic to tape over.
Well, you know, I kind of hate to buy one if I'm going to get the whole bed and it's going to have everything on it.
I gotcha.
You know, I just don't want to spend the money.
I understand.
And, you know, and I don't drive it to Texas. I don't drive it in the city. I go to Guthrie, Kingfisher. I'm going right now to check on cattle.
Okay. Well, I did issue for a defective equipment. It's $80. You have till September 16th to take care of this. Get you to sign there with the Exodus.
So you don't even give a warning for this?
You've been driving around for 6 months like that.
I'm truthful.
Well, I'm not going to give you a warning for something you've been driving for 6 months.
But you've seen me in here. You've seen me in town.
No, I haven't.
You had to. I've been up here.
Nope. Either way, I'm issuing you a citation. Sign there, please.
Well, I don't want to sign it because I don't want to do $80.
You don't want to sign it?
No, because I don't think that I deserve to pay $80 for something that is fixable and I can fix it.
All right.
That's all you want.
Go ahead and step out of the car.
Why?
Because you're under arrest. Step out. Step out of the vehicle.
No, I'm not.
Step out.
No.
Step out. I'm giving you a lawful order. Step out.
Her refusal is what changes the direction of this stop. Now watch closely. Instead of stepping out as instructed, she returns to the driver's seat. That decision shifts this from a traffic stop to a resisting situation. And from here, the tension only increases. Once the officer declares she is under arrest, the situation legally changes. Officers are now attempting to take someone into custody.
305, 303. Do not take off.
Shut up and give me that and I'll sign it.
Step out.
No.
We're beyond that.
You want me
Step
to...
out. pulling into the DEP oil facility. See your ass!
How that's handled in the next few seconds becomes the center of the debate.
Get out of the car!
Commands are being
Get out of the
repeated.
car!
She's being told what to do. This is the moment where compliance, or refusal, determines what happens next. What started as a broken tail light has now escalated to force.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
You better leave me!
Put your hands behind your
Leave
back!
me alone!
Put your hands behind your back!
No!
Now!
I said leave me alone. I mean it. Leave me alone.
Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Lay down and put your hands behind your back!
I will stand up.
Now!
I will stand up.
No, you will not! You're gonna get it again!
And this is the part that sparked nationwide discussion. Was this avoidable? Or was this the natural result of refusing lawful commands? Situations like this often move quickly. A minor violation becomes a legal standoff. The key turning point wasn't the tail light, it was the refusal to sign, and then returning to the vehicle after being told she was under arrest. From that point forward, officers are dealing with non-compliance. The question many people are asking is whether there was another path to de-escalation. This stopped being about a tail light the moment she said no. Every decision after that built on the last. Now the debate isn't about the ticket, it's about escalation. What do you think? Let me know below.
Taser deployed, one female, custody.
Clear.
Why didn't you just sign the damn ticket?
Because I felt like he would be clear with me because I have been in town forever with this thing. I've been all go to and get a damn thing for me.
Do you realize you just got yourself in a whole lot more trouble?
What?
For running?
Oh, I didn't run. I told you you weren't going to arrest me. I pulled him here thinking that you would not.
Here. Go ahead and roll to your back. Alright, sit on your butt.
I'm trying.
Are you hurt?
Yeah, I'm hurt.
What hurts?
Everything.
Alright, I got EMS on the way, just hang tight.
You got a what on the way?
I got an ambulance on the way to check you out.
Ambulance? I don't need an ambulance.
Well, you got tased, so they gotta check you out.
Well, can you just stand me up?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm heavy. Like, oh, don't do the arm that way.
Well, how do you want me to hold you up?
I don't know.
Well,
Can you get me in front?
How about you just lean up against my leg, alright?
Lean up against your leg.
Yeah. Wait for them to get here.
And wait for him to get here. Can you pick me up?
Yeah, if you don't mind. Help me get her up.
Okay.
There we go. Come on over here.
Terminated.
Yeah, 10-4, she's in custody.
That's clear. I have deputies on their way.
How long has this truck been around here like that?
Sir, you guys go stand over there. All you do is sign the ticket.
305. Would you like any
But don't you realize, listen
That
to
way.
me a minute. Do you realize,
Hold on. 305, can you 10-9 that?
you realize something? Nobody wants to
Would you like any deputies to still continue that way?
Deputy.
Negative. Deputies can 1022. Probably gonna need EMS out here to check her out. If you can go.
After the taser was deployed, officers moved in quickly and secured her in handcuffs. The situation, which began with a broken taillight, had fully escalated. Medical personnel were requested to evaluate her condition. What started as a simple citation had now become a use of force incident.
Come on. That's the taser cord. They're gonna get that out of you. All right.
Get it out of me.
Yeah, there's 2 prongs in you.
2 prongs in me. Oh, cute.
ahead and have a seat. I'll turn the air on, let you cool down.
Can you pull your seat up or something? Or
And that's as much as we got. So why didn't you take off?
because I knew that you would arrest me. and
I wasn't going to. All you had to do
Yes,
was
you-
sign a ticket.
But can you, well, just listen to me a minute. Do you know that nobody wants to come to Cashin for any reason whatsoever because they know it's going to be an $80 fine for some dumb something all the time?
Well, when you're driving around like that, where do you think you can go driving around and get away with like that?
Guthrie, Kingfisher, because I'm going through Kingfisher right now to go to Loyal.
You may not listen.
And I've bought groceries.
You may not like the laws, but we're here to enforce them. Whether that be in Cache in Oklahoma County or wherever. Okay? You guys are going to learn the hard way that we're not putting up with it.
Who's you guys? You're saying the Hamils.
The citizens. The citizens of Cache. All right?
Citizens of Cashin.
You break the law in Cache and we're going to enforce it.
Yeah.
Whether you're a Hamil or not. Okay?
No, you did this. You did not have to taser me.
You wouldn't comply. You wouldn't get out. And then you tried to kick me. So,
Why?
yes, I did.
Yeah, I tried to kick you because
Yeah.
I'm a country girl. Because no, I
And
didn't
you got
like being
tased
thrown on
because
the
of
floor.
it.
Yes, and I didn't like being thrown on the damn ground.
Well, next time, listen to what I'm telling you to do. You're the one that escalated this. All you had to do was sign. You would have been on your way.
Signed an $80 ticket that I had no business of even getting.
You told me
an
you've been
$80
driving that for 6 months. That's half a year.
That's right.
Okay.
And every time that we
And subscribe to Ghost Synergy 13 for more real body cam breakdowns.